This is the Holiday Coro 27 DMX channel, 9 RGB channel, DMX dumb controller with 25 amps of power support. This controller features several unique features. It has angled front connecting outputs. They're all individually labeled with common red, green, blue. They have 6 holes around the outside. We have screw terminal here with protection for a 25 amp power supply. That would typically be a 350 watt power supply. We then have a dip switch selectable output with a number 10 dip switch being the test mode. We have input and output connections for XLR and standard E111 DMX over CAT5. This controller is very sturdy and, as you can see, has huge power rails allowing a full 25 amps of power.